Hello, and welcome to our English listening practice. In this video, you will listen to simple English conversations that will help you improve your English. This video is perfect for beginners. Let's get started.
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for gate 5.
Sure, gate 5 is on the second floor. You need to take the escalator and turn right.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about a 5-minute walk from here.
Great. Do I need to go through another security check?
No, you've already passed the security area. You can go straight to your gate.
Thank you. Also, can you tell me what time the flight to London leaves?
Let me check. Yes, the flight to London leaves at 10 a.m.
Perfect. Do I have enough time to grab a coffee?
Yes, but please don't take too long. Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m.
Thank you. Oh, one last thing. Where can I find a restroom?
There's a restroom near gate 5. Just walk straight and you will see the signs.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thanks. Have a good day.
Hello? Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the bus station.
Sure. Go straight on this road, then turn left at the traffic light.
Okay. After I turn left, where should I go?
You will see a park on your right side. Walk past the park, then turn right at the big supermarket.
Is the bus station close to the supermarket?
Yes, it's just behind it. It should take about 10 minutes to walk there.
Great. Are there buses that go to the city center?
Yes, bus 10 and bus 20 go to the city center. They come every 15 minutes.
Perfect. Can I buy a ticket on the bus?
Yes, you can pay the driver when you get on the bus.
Thank you. And just to be sure, it's left at the traffic light, past the park, right at the supermarket, then the station is behind it.
Exactly, you've got it.
Thank you very much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a good day and safe travels.
Thank you. You too.
Good morning. I would like a cup of coffee, please.
Good morning, sir. Sure. Would you like it with milk or black coffee?
I'll have it with milk, please. Can you make it hot?
Of course. Would you like sugar?
Yes, just 1 spoon of sugar, please. Oh, and can I also have a croissant?
Certainly. We have plain, chocolate, or cheese croissants. Which one would you like?
The chocolate one sounds great. I'll take that.
Perfect choice. Would you like anything else? Maybe some juice or a sandwich?
No, thank you. Just the coffee and croissant.
All right. Would you like to sit inside or outside?
I'll sit outside. The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it's a lovely morning. Please have a seat. I'll bring your order in a few minutes.
Thank you so much. By the way, do you have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, we do. The password is written on the menu.
Great, thanks. How much is the total?
It's $5.50.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much. Your coffee and croissant will be ready soon. Enjoy your time.
Thank you. I will.